Hi! In this video we will present how you can automate videos like software tutorials automation. Let's imagine you have a set of tutorials which you want to have up to date on each software upgrade. There will be new icons, new look and feel, maybe different translation of buttons on graphical user interface and different commentary, but the story will always go the same. Let's have a look. We create a procedure. Procedure will record the screen, so we need start recording activities and end recording activities. In between we put some action. Here let's just make some pointing with the mouse. Let's configure actions. Mouse will be just pointing Lordui window top left corner for 5 seconds. We have to configure recording, provide coordinates, target file. Finally, we run it. Screen is recorded, mouse is moving. Please notice processes on the bottom part of the screen. You might be surprised that there are two of them. One is the demo we have just executed. But we will get back to it later, as our recording has just ended and we are ready to preview it. Let's open target directory and see how it looks like. It worked! But hey, there is still process running in Lordui. This is the fun fact. This video is being automatically recorded by Lordui. All mouse clicks, keyboard actions are done by Lordui procedures. With Lordui, you can navigate through any application using tools like optical character recognition. You can integrate Lordui with Tesseract, screenshots, keyboards, shortcuts, system command executions, and others. Try it! Contact us in case of any questions. Have fun!